to our YouTube channel, Safety Guidelines. I'm partner Faim Azam. The topic for this video is very interesting and informative. It is very special as it is related to soccer safety. Let's move on. Please do watch it thoroughly until the end to get benefits of this video. Soccer or football. It is a team sport played between two teams of 11 players who primarily use their feet to propel a ball around a rectangular field called a pitch. Who is the founder of soccer? The Chinese were the first to get their kicks by kicking balls into nets for sport in the 3rd century before Christ, and the game known globally as football was formalized in England in the 19th century. But the predecessor of most modern ball games can be found in America. Some common injuries. Number 1, ankle sprain. Number 2, knee sprain. Number 3, calf strains. Number 4, clavicle fracture. Number 5, foot fracture. Number 6, wrist fracture. Number 7, kneecap bursitis. And number 8, meniscus tear. Wear the right soccer protective gear. Number 1, wear a mouth guard, preferably custom fitted at all times. Number 2, wear shock absorbent shin guards at all times. Seek professional advice on the correct fitting of shin guards. Number 3, consider preventive ankle taping or bracing to reduce risk of injury. Number 4, seek professional advice on footwear, that is, soccer cleats. Warm up before every single soccer match and make sure you're hydrated. Warming up before any form of workout is absolutely necessary. You will be actively using your whole body during a soccer match. For that reason, you absolutely need to warm up before the match like all professional soccer players do. As per professionals, warming up before any form of workout dilates your blood vessels, supplies enough oxygen to your muscles, and so much more. So, always make sure to warm up before every single soccer match that you play. Make sure to take plenty of water. Only play against people of your age, range, and size. If you are a kid, then you should only play against kids. Do not play against adults. If you're a kid and you decided to play against adults, then there is a high chance that they might hurt you no matter how careful they are during the match. The same thing applies for adults. If you are an adult, then it's better not to play against kids because you might hurt them and you might not be able to perform well since you'll try to be extra careful during the match. Another advice is that you need to play against people of your size. If you're a thin adult and you're playing against wider people, then they might hurt you by mistake. Same thing applies for kids here. Avoid any dangerous tackles. As a defender, you might be tempted to tackle your opponent without hurting them. You might decide to run towards them, slide on the ground, and take the ball out of their feet in order to prevent them from advancing forward. If you are playing soccer just for fun, then try your best not to get involved in tackles that might put you in danger. Sometimes it's just better to let your opponent pass than to end up in the nearest hospital. If you think that your action might put you in danger, then it's better if you just avoid it and use another strategy to extract the ball from your opponent. Avoid headers at a young age. Soccer headers are one of the fundamental techniques in soccer. Every single professional soccer player should learn how to head the soccer ball. However, if you are less than 12 years old, then you shouldn't attempt to head the soccer ball because it has proven to be dangerous for your brain. Avoid extreme weather conditions. If the weather is extremely hot or extremely cold, then avoiding the game would be a good idea. However, if you insist that you want to play during extreme weather conditions, then here are some safety measures that you need to take. During extremely cold conditions, you need to make sure to cover yourself from top to bottom the moment you finish the match. While you're running, you might not feel the cold outside, but if you immediately face the cold while wearing shorts and a t-shirt after you finish the game, then your body might not be able to handle the cold when your body temperature is high. So make sure that you immediately wear something that covers your whole body from the cold after you finish the match. If you're playing in extremely hot conditions, then you should keep pouring water on your head every few minutes. This will help you protect your head from any sickness. You also need to keep hydrating yourself throughout the game. Even professional soccer players do that. Inspect the field of play to make sure that there aren't any holes or rocks. You might not be able to always afford playing on great soccer fields. For example, you might be playing soccer in some backyard. If that's the case, then it's always a great idea to check if there are any obstacles on the field before you start the match. Check the field, get rid of all the obstacles, and then start your match safely. Goalkeeper safety. The majority of professional goalkeepers wear a long-sleeved padded jersey to offer protection to their arms, elbows, and sometimes shoulders. They also wear gloves for a better grip. These gears are mostly brightly colored. Thanks for watching this sporty video. Our team is grateful towards the people who have already subscribed our channel, and those who haven't, please do remember to subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon to receive notifications regarding latest safety topics. Like, comment, and share our videos to encourage our team. Have a good time. See you in the next clip. Till then, goodbye.